Does your website rank on the first page of Google? If not, your dealership is missing out on tons of free traffic. So how can your website get on the first page of Google? The process for increasing your rankings in search engines is called search engine optimization, or SEO for short. As SEO has been a huge buzzword in the internet marketing world for a couple of years now, and rightfully so, it's imperative that your dealership understand the fundamentals behind SEO so that you can properly hire not only an SEO company, but that you know the perfect internet marketing strategy for your business. As you may have noticed on my prior video on the customer buying cycle, I went through the 4 stages of the customer buying cycle. Now, we need to take those 4 stages and implement them on your website so that you can help rank your website for as much free traffic as you possibly can for your perfect target market. So here's your game plan on how to do that. Step 1 is to go back to the customer buying cycle video if you haven't watched it already and watch that. And also don't forget to read the article on RV Pro. Step 2 is to check out the article on RV Pro that I just wrote that goes over how to rank your website in Google. It's a fabulous article that goes step by step into what Google needs from your website and then an action plan on how you can implement that on your website. If you have any questions on how to rank your website in Google, feel free to reach out. I'd love to be able to help. I'll look forward to talking to you soon.